Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate your kind gesture. So today I'm going to be showing us how to make this amazing bowl, and we're only going to be using one pattern, that is a single crochet pattern all through. So we start with the normal chain, and then from there we turn to a single crochet all through until you are done with the bow. So thank you so much, and I'll appreciate if you'll subscribe as you watch towards the end, and God bless you, and may no plague come near your dwelling.
Another one is coming. Boom, 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 blah, 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 blah. You're not coming. You. Oh, no. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah.
Go busy. Go busy. Mangori. Ah. Do you have a problem with me?
No, I just want to make a calculator to see if I can make it. I want to see if I can make it like that. Okay.
All right.
It's bouncing back. You want to do me, you want to cut me. First you remove this, and then I try again, making them. Do you know what I'm making? Mommy, do you know what I'm making?
Ati? Ati? Niwaambia nini?